clavicle fracture in a skiing accident in Aspen, Mauricio Umansky underwent surgery that involved the insertion of a metal plate and 12 screws to stabilize the injury. The star of Beverly Hills provided a health update that emphasized the seriousness of the situation. In a February 16th Instagram post, Mauricio expressed gratitude for the outpouring of support he received. "Thank you to everyone who has reached out," he wrote over photo of Steve. He explained, "I had surgery on my clavicle. It was a clean break but required a metal plate and 12 screws." The 54-year-old, who shares 4 daughters, Sarah, 36, Alexia, 28, Sophia, 24, and Portia, 16, with his estranged wife Kyle Richards, remained optimistic about his recovery. He praised the medical staff at Aspen Valley Hospital, stating, "I expect a speedy recovery. I was wearing a helmet, which definitely saved me." Just days prior, on February 14th, Mauricio shared images from his hospital stay, including a selfie in his hospital gown and an X-ray of his injury. He expressed his appreciation for the care he received. "I feel so blessed to be taken care of by such amazing people. You control and care of me at the hospital. You're all the best." He added, "Let's get the surgery done so I can heal."